besties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, I know it's been a while since the last time I uploaded. I've been away for too long. Siguro the last video I uploaded pa was December pa. So yung vlogmas pa yun. And I have yet to edit yung Christmas vlog. Magti-Christmas na ulit guys. So, yeah, to be honest, ang dami kong video na hindi ko pa siya na-edit. Kaya, try my best to edit them out and then i-upload ko sa YouTube ko. Kasi decided na gusto ko i-romanticize ulit yung life ko. I want to document my life. So, wala. Yun lang. Ang dami ko pang archetype ko sinasabi. Ang dami kong kailangan likpitin. So, yeah, so guys can see, I have like a big luggage here because we're going somewhere tomorrow. Natin pahabain to and let's pack together.
So update, we're here at the airport na. We still have like an hour and 10 minutes left before boarding. So yeah, see you in Japan! Galing pang Pilipinas yun Pakita mo yung cropek mo, nagdala ka pa sa Japan. Ha? Pasakay namin ang cake. Going up sa 3rd floor kasi dun pa yung room namin. And then luggages namin. Diyan siya iaakyat. Okay, we're here. Okay guys, room tour. So, as you enter, here's the yung toilet. And then dito na yung CR. Yan. Oh. Very clean naman siya. Itsura niya. And modern yung design. Then, as you enter, may kitchen. Then, here's our living room. Ayan, kaming ref. Meron kaming microwave. Painita ng water. Then, ito na yung room, guys. So, para siyang one room lang. Pero may divider with a separate rooms. So, ayan siya. And then, here's the other entrance. May laundry area. And then, may isa pang CR. First meal. Asan? Oh my God. Ang galing guys. Lawson, may available na Muji ball pens. Nung high school ako, super favorite ko yung Muji ball pens na yan. First night. Kung ano-ano na pinagkukuha. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 here in Osaka. So today, our agenda is Kyoto and Nara. So magtutour lang kami doon. Binili namin sa Konbini last night. Taste test. It has spam, egg, and some tuna.
Isa ba yan?
Oo, saka may tuna rin. Okay lang. Saan ka mag-ano ng traffic?
Sa ano? Saan
ka mag-ano ng traffic? Magkocontrol?
Oo ka.
Fit check. So I'm just wearing a Hit Tech skirt, thermal leggings, and boots.
Uy, nandiyan na daw siya.
Cute! Hi! Hello! Oh. Bambi, hi! Ayan guys, eto daw, this is the second largest Buddha in Japan. Yung biggest ay nasa Tokyo. Ay, kasya siya, galing! Pag nagkasya ka sa butas nun, ayan, kaya sila lumulusot kasi lucky daw. And kumuha dito, may free engraving. So, ayan. And it's so cool kasi makikita mo siya doon na na-engrave.
Ano pang
Early. Kaya... Google guys, ayan. Kami ng souvenir na notebook here sa Todaiji Temple. Para sa mga stamps, ayan.
pagdating nyo? Ano ka ba?
Ang ganda.
Wait! Here, Bobs! Bobs, here! Wait, ba't ayaw? Magbawa ka muna! Ayaw na!
Nakikita niya naman.
Wait, Bobs! Hold on! Ay, Bobby! Teka lang kayo! Wait lang naman kasi!
Picture na lang.
Aray! Isa mo! Oh! Picture tayo. Oy, no! We did! Putulin mo mga... Ah! Ano lang pati? Ba't mo ko
Okay guys, we're here at Fushimi Inari Shrine. Pero hindi pa papasok kasi magla-lunch muna kami. Okay guys, so currently, nito kami sa parang food court here in Kyoto, malapit sa Fushimi Inari Shrine. Ayan. Yung mga food stalls. And then we ordered Kobe beef, skewers, and ramen. Okay, taste test you guys. Kobe beef. Look. Uy, ang sarap. Guys, parang nag-burst yung flavor, yung fats ng beef. Diba? Ramen. First ramen here in Japan. Oh. Mami, ang sarap. Guys, ang sarap talaga ng beef skewers. Pero for 3 pieces, na ganyan siya. Yung pinaka-ganyan. For 1,850 yen. So, that's around 700 something. Pero okay na rin for, ano, kasi ang sarap na talaga. So good. Here's my food. Is this? Ano yung problem? Wala, ang sarap.
Ayan pala, oh. Okay na.
Yeah, fall vibes pa rin. So nice.
Okay, one.
Ang good. So nice. Okay, so right now we're here at Ninenzaka. Ayan. Yung kami doon. And ayun yung pagoda. We're gonna try it on.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just had our custom made wings. So first step is you have to choose what design you want. And then they also offer yung 18K na gold. Ayan. And then after, pili ka ng finish na gusto mo, yung gagawin na nila. And then last step is the finishing. So yun, ginagawa na yung sa amin. And then I'll show you guys later yung finished product. Thank you. Is it done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please look. Okay, so ayan, decide lang to ng Blanta. Ayan, gagawa ng caricature. And then, yeah, pinapadrama si Charlie. So here's the Starbucks. Yan. Okay, here's the entrance, you guys. Let's enter. Here. Ang liit lang na, guys. Ay, dito pala kayo. Got my order. Oh, medyo sketchy, ha? And then, the order daw, dito kukunin siya sa dulo. Ayan na siya. Yeah. Thank you! Guys, ayan na siya. It's so cute! Nice. Good morning, guys. It's our third day here in Osaka. So, fit check. Ayan, I'm just wearing a vest. Heat tech, 2 layers. Pants, and my shoes. Yun lang. So, for today, it's just going to be city tour. So, we'll be going to Umeda, Osaka Castle, Shrine, tapos may isa pa, I don't know, I forgot. So, yeah, see you guys later. Okay, guys. Oh, ganda! Hi, guys! So, right now, we're here at Katsuoji Temple. And, guys, super cute kasi nagkalat yung mga Daruma dolls here. So, ayan o, tingnan nyo, yung iba nasa puno, yung iba nandyan. Guys, look o. Kahit sa puno, meron. Ang cute! Ganda. Look at those trees. Super pretty. Pwede picture mo ako pag nagagayan ako, ah. Show you guys. So, basically, ganito siya. Ito na yung number 2. So, nakalimutan namin ito sa number 1. Hindi namin alam na may numbering pala siya para mabuo mo feeling ko yung Daruma doll na itsura niya sa stamp. So, yan. Ito yung number 1. And then, we're here right now. So, akit pa kami para mabuo namin siya. And then, I'll show you guys after. Guys, look at this pathway. It's so nice. Guys, look. Dami na nila. Ayan, paakyat doon. Oh my gosh, guys. Sobrang ganda. Oh, ganda. Third stamp. Dapat pala binubuo siya. Final stop. Yay! Look, guys. Yay! First curry. May 5 lang eh. Uy! Mami, ayan o, nakikita siya. Oh my God. Guys, so right now we're here at Osaka Castle. Look! It's so nice! It's a good thing din na gabi kami nandito dumating kasi may lights yung castle, so iba yung vibe. Kanya guys, ang ganda niya in person.
Vel Park. Parang Al Park.
Ayan guys, so ito na kami sa luggage transfer. So ito, ang name ay Yamato Transport. So dyan namin papadala yung luggages namin para din namin siya i-train kasi ayaw tanggapin sa convenience store kasi ang dami. Sabi pa tingin ko. Arigato! First bite, besties! Let's try the soup first. God! Ay, ang sarap! Sarap ba, guys? Ano mo may nasabi? Hindi ako sa kanya. Done. Set. Taking touristy pics! Taking advantage, guys. Kasi walang tao now. Like, meron, pero hindi super dami katulad nung mga last 2 nights na punta namin. Ayan. One last look. Then off to Tokyo tomorrow.
Unboxing time! Sandali ate, tanong mo na duplicate. Kasi hindi mo na, sige, sige.
Ayun na.
Ang cute!
Guys, malagyan sa
Oh my God! Oh! Pakita nga! Okay guys, moment of truth! I go! Mami!